What if everything you thought had to be big suddenly wasn't? Every year, technology gets smaller, but somehow it keeps getting more powerful. From your desk to your backpack, and even your pocket, tiny gadgets are beginning to replace machines that once took up an entire room. But are they really as capable as they claim? Today, we're putting that idea to the test with some incredible compact tech that might completely change the way you think about size. Welcome to Tech Trek Net. I'm your host. Now watch this. Razer Pro Click Mini, a sleek, whisper-quiet powerhouse for professionals who multitask across multiple platforms. It's the kind of mouse you throw in your bag and forget, until it silently delivers peak productivity. With silent mechanical switches rated for 15 million clicks and 7 programmable buttons, it's designed to work as fast as you do without making a sound. It connects to up to 4 devices and features a hyperscroll wheel that flips between free spin and tactile modes. Need to scroll long reports, then tweak pixel-perfect designs? Done. And the Razer Productivity Dongle lets you pair this mouse with compatible keyboards on a single receiver, keeping your desk clean and your mind focused. And now, something completely different. The Timekettle X1 Translation earphones are not just a translator, they're a two-way real-time interpreter you wear. No app needed, no fiddling, just pull them out and speak. Each person wears one earbud, and the device simultaneously translates what each person says into the other's language. Imagine having a full conversation in your own language with someone who doesn't speak a word of it, and it works instantly. You can also switch to side hearing mode for live translation of videos, remote calls, or lectures. With support for 5 languages in multi-person conferences and up to 20 participants, it's built for global teams and travelers. The earphones last 2.5 hours on a charge and have 7-day standby. With AI semantic judgment tech, it doesn't just translate, it understands what you mean and responds accordingly. Wild, right? If you're finding value so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. We've got plenty more coming your way.
Now let's talk about the Hercules DJControl Starlight, a perfect starting point for new DJs or anyone looking for a fun, low-cost controller. It's incredibly light, fits in one hand, and has this cool RGB lighting that syncs to your music. But it's not just for show. It includes essential DJ features like jog wheels, filter knobs, EQ, and headphone cueing, all powered by Serato DJ Lite. A friend of mine actually started with the Starlight in his dorm room. Within weeks he was mixing for college parties and streaming live on Instagram. The learning curve is smooth and the fun factor is sky high.
Enter the Donner Hush X Pro, a headless electric guitar that fits in your gig bag but plays like a full professional rig. With 7 tone simulations taken from high-end custom shop guitars, this instrument gives you electric and acoustic flavors in one sleek frame. Add Donner's H2 chip, and you're getting 19 amp models, 12 cabinet simulations, and dozens of iconic effects like delay, modulation, overdrive, and reverb, all built right in. No pedals, no amps, just raw tone wherever you go. Practice in silence with Bluetooth BGM or headphones, or plug directly into your DAW or amp with its integrated audio interface. Lightweight at just 5.5 pounds, the Hush X Pro is a dream for traveling musicians who refuse to compromise on tone.
Then we've got the Canon PowerShot G7X, a classic compact powerhouse. This camera has been a favorite among enthusiasts for its blend of portability and performance. This one's all about ease and speed, Wi-Fi enabled, fast f1.8 to 2.8 lens, and a 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that delivers great detail and color. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, the image quality is consistently impressive. It's super lightweight and fits easily in your pocket, making it ideal for vloggers or travelers. The flip-up touchscreen is perfect for selfies and vlogging, adding to its versatility. The full HD 60 frames per second video is buttery smooth, though it does miss out on 4K, which can be a deal breaker for some in 2020. However, for most casual users, the video quality is more than sufficient. Still, its low-light capabilities and portability make it a strong contender. Whether you're shooting in daylight or at dusk, the G7X performs admirably, making it a reliable companion for any adventure.
If you're looking for something that feels more like a piece of high-end jewelry than a gadget, the PalmPhone PVG100 is the minimalist king. Weighing in at only 2.2 ounces, it is lighter than most wallets and features a stunning 3.3-inch HD display that is incredibly sharp for its size. The real magic here is Life Mode, a feature designed to help you reclaim your time by silencing all calls and notifications the second the screen goes off, only reconnecting when you actively wake the device. It is built for the outdoor lifestyle with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it the perfect companion for the gym or a weekend hike where you want to stay reachable but not distracted. Despite its tiny frame, it still packs a 12-megapixel. If you want raw performance in a compact form, the ACEMAGICIAN S3A is built to impress. Armed with AMD Ryzen 96900HX and Radeon 680M graphics on the RDNA 2 architecture, this machine delivers up to 8 times the frame rates of older Vega chips, making it a powerhouse for gamers. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, 512 GB of NVMe storage and customizable modes, silent for streaming, auto for daily use, and performance for hardcore gaming, you can adapt the machine to your lifestyle while dual fan cooling and RGB lighting give it the look and efficiency of a proper gaming rig. If you've ever wished you had a smart assistant to take perfect notes during a meeting or interview, the PLAUD Note AI voice recorder might be exactly what you need. This razor-thin device, just 0.11 inches thick, doesn't just capture conversations, it transcribes them using GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, then builds organized summaries and even visual mind maps. It supports 59 languages and has 2 audio modes, one for regular recording and another that uses vibration conduction to record calls, meaning even your phone calls are covered. You can switch modes with a simple slide, record with one touch, and manage everything on the PLAUD app or desktop interface. And with its red dot and IF design award-winning aluminum build, it's as stylish as it is smart. Canon SELPHY CP1500, a sleek, white, compact photo printer that's become a favorite for professionals and party hosts alike. Imagine you're at a wedding or baby shower, and someone says, "Can we print that right now?" With the SELPHY CP1500, the answer is a confident yes. It supports Wi-Fi, USB, SD cards, even flash drives, and the large 3.5-inch screen lets you edit photos and apply retro-style filters like sepia and black and white before printing. Your prints dry instantly and last up to 100 years. Yes, you heard that right. 100 years. This is the kind of printer you use to create legacy albums or on-site prints during live events. Plus, with optional battery packs, you're free to print from anywhere, no outlet needed. There's the Roland AIRA Compact P6 Creative Sampler, which proves that big ideas can come from small devices. Because this pocket-sized sampler packs Roland's legendary sampling tech into a form factor you can literally take anywhere. It features a built-in mic for instant sound capture, chop and step sampling for slicing audio into playable pieces, resampling for sound design, chromatic playback across the keyboard, and dedicated filters, envelopes, and hands-on effects that let you sculpt sounds quickly, making the P6 perfect for producers who want fast, creative sampling without carrying full-size gear. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you next time on TechTrekNet.